Hey everyone, it's Jane from Pivot. I wanted to show you a new feature that HubSpot has added to the workflow tool. I think it's pretty handy. Would love to know what you guys think once you start using it. But it's a commenting tool, and this allows you to do a couple of things. One, if you're working on a workflow and you need somebody to review it, it makes it super easy for you just to mention them in your comment. It'll send them a notification. All they have to do to get to your workflow is just click the link in that notification email they'll receive. So that's really easy. If they have any concerns or comments for you, they can easily add that to the comment thread, and that will send you a notification. The other way we like to use this is really for documentation, because a lot of times when you update a workflow, you may not remember in 3 months, 6 months, what exactly you did. So often when you make a change to a workflow, especially if it's a workflow that somebody else built, it's a great idea to use this comments tool just to document that. Now, there's two ways you can add comments. You can add comments to specific steps in the workflow. So you saw if I just hover on this particular action item, we get a little comment icon. If I click on it, I can now put in a comment that is specific to this particular step in my workflow. If I want to put in a more general comment about the workflow itself, I can come over to the right side, click on that icon, and you can see it'll open up a commenting panel. And then I can just add my comment. Like I mentioned, if I mention somebody, they're going to get that notification right away in that email. Easy, easy. Then you've got a great history of it and you'll be able to see the reply. So check it out. It's a great tool. Let us know what you think. You can find us at pivot.marketing or on Twitter at pivotslc.